Okay friends, you can see here I'm opening Google page. There is no Play Store. I'm showing this menu. There is also no Play Store. We can search that in the search page. Just play. There is no Play Store. After click view more in Play Store, there is a message that means Play Store not installed. That means your phone is disabled the Play Store. So open settings, go to apps manager, apps and notification, and select all apps. Sorry, mistake. Select all apps and just search for Play Store. You can simply click disabled to select disabled application, then click on enable. You can see here there is an option of enable. So that's it, very simple. You can once again you can simply enable your Play Store. Open your menu. Now you can see the Play Store is here, and after disabling or enabling the Play Store, you must turn on your mobile internet or Wi-Fi connection and just wait for 10 minutes. Okay, it is depends on your mobile data speed or your Wi-Fi data speed. So normally Play Store is automatically update. Okay, the Play Store is the main application, so Play Store can update using with your internet. So that's guys, very simply Play Store will be update. So just wait for it, and after 10 minutes you can access the new version of Play Store on your device. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch or understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.